What do you think? What do you think, buddy? Hey, Beverly. Oh, Raven's going to the bathroom. Come on, Moose. Hey, come here. Thanks for joining us. Come here, Moose. We're just getting a little playtime in before dinner, right, buddy? Say hi. And we're doing some good zoomies. What's up, Moose? Say hi, Raven. You thirsty? Good girl. I see flying hearts. Thanks for the love. Let's see what Moose is doing. Hey, buddy. What do you see? Are the turkeys back? We had turkey in the field. Oh, that was yesterday. Raven was barking at him. No ducks. The ducks have moved along. Yeah. Yeah, they've got a good hole. This one too. I might fill it in and then they can redig it. I've been thinking about doing that. You say hi, Raven? Say hi. Good girl. Yeah, I wish they stuck around. I don't know. There are a lot of ponds around here, so I have a feeling she walked them down to a different spot. Maybe they'll come back. What's up, Raven? Good girl. Moose and I went running today. He got to tow the scooter around. Tomorrow, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, what attracts the ducks? That's a good question. If I'll have to Google that if there's anything. Hey, are you ready for dinner already? You trying to open? He can open the back door. So when I put them out, sometimes I lock it behind him so he doesn't open the door. Raven hasn't figured that trick out yet, but Moose will open that back door when he wants to. What do you think, buddy? She'll just knock when she wants to go in. But it's close to dinner time and they know it. Right, buddy? Or if you look at the back door, you think I'm going to let you in? Raven, what are you doing? Oh, yep, she's knocking. That's the dinner knock. She says, it's time for my dinner.